Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordanbikes, and today we have this for sale, a Honda CB1000R. This one is an extremely nice bike for the year 2016, but it's done 1,896 miles. It's a one owner bike from new, and as you can imagine, it's stunning. So finished off in red and black, and it's also got the matching red frame, sorry I couldn't think of my words then, and swing arm as well, so it does look the part, this one. This bike is also an ABS model. It's completely standard, as you can see, but they do look the part, these bikes. They've also got single-sided swing arm. This one's got a few decals around it just to break up the black of the rear wheel there. And I'll give it a start up whilst you're over there so you can have a listen to it. Over the top, I'll just turn the ignition on so you can have a look. Other than ABS, these don't have anything else. They don't have traction and power modes and things like that, so they're just full power all the time. But it's nice to have full digital on these bikes nowadays. Right, so this bike, like I said, 4-year-old, but it's only done just over 1,000 miles. So if you do fancy it, please pop down to the showroom or just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.